Hello friends, you are watching Worldwide Vehicles. The best and the fastest fighter jet of present days is F-15E Strike Eagle. United States is the owner of this jet. Price of F-15E is $138 million. Two engines are fitted in this jet with 29,000 pounds of force. Maximum speed of F-15E is 3,107 km per hour. It covers the distance of half kilometer in just 1 liter fuel, and it can go up to 60,000 feet in the sky. It can cover the maximum distance of 254 meters in a second. Maximum payload on this jet is 10,500 kilograms. Its fuel tank capacity is 20,820 liters. There are two general seats in it. It can be armed with medium-range air-to-air missiles. The model has an internally mounted 20 mm gun that can carry up to 500 rounds.